So what is actually stan.store? Let me break it down for you. Stan.store is an online platform that lets creators sell digital products, courses, memberships, or coaching from a single link. It's designed for anyone who wants to monetize followers without building a full website or dealing with complicated tech. How it works is simple. You sign up, add your products or services, connect Stripe or PayPal, and share your store link. Visitors can buy instantly, and you get basic analytics and email capture to track engagement. The pros? It's super easy to set up, fast to start selling, and you keep 100% of sales aside from payment processor fees. Many creators find it intuitive and appreciate the support, which is actually nice if you're just starting out. Downsides? It only works for digital products or services, no physical inventory. Customization is limited, and advanced marketing tools need higher-tier plans. Some users also report slow support or small payout delays. Pricing as of 2026 is $29 a month for Creator and $99 a month for Creator Pro. There's no permanent free plan, though a free trial is usually available. It's best for creators who want a quick, simple way to sell online. But if you need a full e-commerce store, look for other platforms. Let me know what you think below, and subscribe for more reviews.